lovely day.
Thank you, Uncle.
Salamat kaya.
See you next time.
Take care. Yes,
Be careful.
I will be careful. Nice pizza, Mum. So they've made good all these walkways. But this, take care. This walkway is really, really steep. There we go. Bunker, this way. It smells as though something's died here. And it's not me. Okay guys, off the barge. It's Monday. It's Monday. Let's go and get Scooty down here. Yeah, I just paid my rent here. Look at that, Scooty. Let's pick Scooty up. Let's go get something to eat, shall we? Oh, back to City Hall. Face mask, no, thank you, Mum. Okay. Oh. Salamat. So, Osmere Park. This hasn't been open for a long time, and you can come through here now. Its flags are out, independence, and people are queuing everywhere. Yeah, it's queuing. Containers. So all these people are queuing to turn around and go into City Hall to make payments. They get pulled up 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Okay, they're all up there. Obligatory little bits of paper, and they're all queuing. So you come through Osmere Park, which is behind me, and those people are all queuing, and they're all queuing to go down here. We're going to go and get some blood as well, but you're not allowed any food here, you're not allowed anything in this area now. I don't understand it, I don't understand. This area is closed now, which is in front of City Hall. Nobody's allowed to be in there. So down here is towards Barangay 23C, and PMP police station is down there on the left hand side with the two white vans outside. PMB Bank, the clock tower, and San Pedro. So let's walk San Pedro, shall we? It's a Monday. I paid my rent and he's at home just getting some rest. It is a stunning day today. It's really, really nice. So you can't go in here because you've got this little wire. Guys roaming around trying to sell his shomai. Mass in the background. So down here, these are all cars parked outside the church here. But down here outside in Salah, it's packed with bikes and scooters. There we go. Independence, 1962. Flags are out. Have a mask. Frizzle Street. Mitre building on the corner there. Still doing all the work, aren't they? Into that hole. There's the Eagle. Ingenuity. Wherever there's a place to park, the bike and the scooter will get in. Unitop. Nice Monday, really. It isn't that hot. So they're still working on that road I looked at nearly 4 weeks ago. Look at that. That's getting even bigger and bigger. Well, I'm not walking down that way. We're on week 1 of MEGCQ. Tiles are slipping. Q is for Jolly Bee. People selling second-hand phones. Yeah. Am I going to buy one of those? No. Okay. Bistro Tumdo. I'm going this way. That's a long way, isn't it? But not as long as that. And when it opens up, this will be 4 lanes wide. And it'll all be going one way. City Hall. American Church's office is over there. Face masks, face shields, anything to do with COVID-19, you can get here, can't you? Look at that. Anything to do with COVID-19. Street food, vendors, parents. So, one of those things that really annoys me is when people just turn around and phones in their ear and just start yakking and just start continue walking without any idea where they're walking and what they're going to turn around to do. Digital ID. Jewelry. They can still afford money to buy jewellery to go on their ankle. How busy? Not that really, consider it's lunchtime. The Gallen Elementary School over there, not open. It'll be used for something. Scooters are all parked here. We've got these zones now. That guy will come round with a green t-shirt, turn around and take money from you. I think it's 5 pesos for 2 hours. So, yeah. K1511. It's old school, isn't it? That's really, really old. Made of wood. Used to be offices for something, because all this is laid up to turn around and take payment. This house has been turned into the parking lot. You should actually make more money out of that. Calendaria here. One of these was very good. One of these was always right.
You wanna eat?
Tukulong?
Bibingka.
Bibingka?
Yeah.
Oh, bibingka, nice.
Sarap, so good.
Yeah. How are you, Kuya? What is your name?
Hello.
Hello, Kuya. Your name?
John.
John?
John.
Oh, there we go. Jay. Very nice.
Dua. Wala pa. Hey.
Hello. Bibingka.
Bibingka, you try it? Suman.
Dito apel.
Apil to, dua lang dua. Dua na lang.
How much, ma'am?
Tatlo 25 pesos.
25 peso.
25. Yeah. So yummy. Tulo lang, dua lang.
Ma'am, 4.
Yahat say bayad na.
Oh, buta din bayad na.
Apel na diya.
Oh.
Dili ka nagkwado.
Dahil magkuhan mo te.
Confusing.com. Hello, ma'am. Oh, look.
Bye, you buy.
I buy. I buy.
Okay, you eat this.
No, you cellophane?
Yes.
Cellophane?
No. Lepo banana. Banana.
You have change?
No, sir.
Yan na tell you ani. Laki tayo.
Oh, we have 4. I need change, Kuya.
Jay, one gat.
Oh, okay. Sorry, ma'am. He has no money. No money, no honey.
No money, no money.
There we go. Sorry, ma'am. Okay, lang. So, around the shop, they want me to buy bibingka, sulma, but I don't know who's calling me. You have change? I was just reading on this road to around see if I get some change. Everybody doesn't have change for a 500 peso note. No change at all. Strange, really, isn't it? They're all out, but they're not making any money. They're just sitting there. So, okie dokie. Let's go